the years go by, wear and tear on your skin takes a toll. They call that aging. Who's heard of it? All right, it may have taken years to get those lines and sagging, but today we can get rid of them in just seconds. So please welcome back Dr. Shel, Medical Director for Dr. Shel Wellness and Medical Spa, Lane Pearson, one of Dr. Shel's patients, and we'll check in on the patient who had a little something done at the top of the show as well. That is Ginger, and we'll talk to her in a minute. Okay, so let's first start. Lane, when you started looking in the mirror, what were you seeing that you didn't like?
A lot of wrinkles.
Yeah.
Yeah. And things were just, the eyes were falling. And it was just, you know, wrinkles everywhere.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we're going to put up some before and after pictures,
Oh,
but
great.
as we're doing that, Dr. Shel, yeah, you're like, that's how it was. That was then, this is now.
Yeah.
But Dr. Shel, tell us, okay, when we address wrinkles, we can address them in a number of ways, and sagging may be addressed a little bit differently than actual
Exactly.
wrinkles.
So we have, you know, we have the sagging, which you just said. So we have the laxity of the skin, which gives you the jowls and everything kind of falls down. That's one type of thing that a lot of women don't like. And then you've got the wrinkles that occur over time because of many different things that, you know, the aging process
This thing called
contributes to.
life. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what happens is that those need to be addressed differently, and then the loose skin has to be addressed differently. For the loose skin, we do the skin tightening procedure, which Lane did have done, and then for the deep wrinkles.
Yeah, and back up to that, because that Tighten is really cool.
It's great.
Yeah, tell us
really
exactly
great.
what that does and what's the technology that makes that happen.
So the Tighten is an infrared technology, which essentially the laser penetrates into the collagen and stimulates that collagen and retightens that collagen to the way that it was before. Things like age and sun and, you know, different radicals.
Yeah, we start to lose that ability as we get older.
So then that kind of pulls everything up, and the main areas that a lot of women like, and men as well, is the jowls, the neck, the eyes, lifting on that, and then the abdomen and arms as well. So
Yeah.
other body parts as well.
And then there's the Pearl and Pearl Fractional. What is that used for?
The Pearl and Pearl Fractional are both used for things like brown spots, large pores, fine lines, wrinkles, etc. So the
and we're
Pearl
taking
is
a
more
look right
for
there, before and after.
That's the before and after for the Pearl Fractional. So if you notice the brown spots that Lane had on her side of the face, and then you see the wrinkles that she had, and you see how the skin is just glowing and tight, and the brown spots are gone on the right, that's after the Pearl Fractional procedure.
Yeah, all
Yes,
right. Well,
it's
you look
fabulous.
fantastic, and here's the thing
Thank
that we were
you.
talking about earlier, she looks natural.
She does. She really does. I mean, she just looks gorgeous. She gets compliments all the time.
I do.
And she does not have to feel like she needs to look like somebody else because she was gorgeous to begin with.
Yeah.
There were some things that she just wanted to enhance.
Yeah, okay, so if I asked you how old you were, would you slap me?
No. Almost 61.
Aw, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
Yay,
Thanks.
great. Okay, now, Ginger, you were starting to notice those little signs of aging type thing, and one of the areas that really a lot of us deal with, Dr. Shel, is those marionette lines or nasal. Yes,
Yes,
exactly. So that's what you had before.
Yes.
That's what I had before this
Yes.
morning, and 10 minutes later, got it filled.
Yeah, look at that. It's all plumped out. Do we have the before on her? So we can see what the... Okay, we don't have the before on her. Okay, there, well, okay.
That's
right. Yeah, okay, you know what? We look at that. If we had to have a shot to save our life, we'd all be like, but for vanity, shoot me up, shoot me up. Okay, lock and load, baby. But anyway, so what happened here is literally you filled out and softened those lines.
Literally, the lines were filled out and softened. And if you look right there, that was about an hour ago, and there I am just massaging it in. It's a natural product. Again, it's the Radiesse, which is, and that's her cheeks that I'm doing.
Yeah,
which we
and right now
mentioned
you're
this morning.
softening kind of those lines under the eyes.
Yes, yes, and they're easy. They're really easy to do. It took me literally 10 minutes to do that, and she looks completely natural, and this is an hour afterwards.
Yeah, and how long does that last?
That lasts up to 12 months, and sometimes up to 18. So 12 to 18 is an average patient.
Yeah.
Which is great.
I'm going to ask you the question that people always ask, and that is, did it hurt?
It did not hurt. She used numbing cream, and it didn't hurt at all. I mean, you
Okay.
can feel the poke, but
Yeah,
no, it wasn't bad
Yeah,
at all.
because all you were thinking about is, I'm looking young.
That's right. That's right.
You just say,
I was thinking
That's right.
We will let
That's
people know that Dr. Shel has a special great day offer. The first 25 callers will receive a $300 gift certificate for certain procedures, plus buy one Juvederm and Radiesse dermal fillers and get one half off.
Correct.
Okay, and Botox, this is crazy talk right here, people. Botox is just $11 per unit. Okay, that's crazy, $11 per unit. So call now to also secure your pass for a spring beauty open house. Tell us what we can expect at that open house.
Well, lots of food and refreshments, and we can have individual consultations, and they're complimentary for patients who want to look natural, but like themselves about 10 or 15 years ago.
Yeah. And then they'll also have a chance to ask you questions about procedures.
And we'll customize the procedures for them because, like we talked about earlier, the same procedure is not good for every single person because of the, you know, proportion of the face. So we're going to customize those things and do individual consultations tomorrow and just have a lot of fun with it.
All right. For more
Yes.
information, that number is 281-313-7435, 281-313-7435. And that basically comes out to 281-313-SHEL. And you want to add?
Yes, Deborah, just like we did last year, we're doing a mommy makeover this year as well. It's a $10,000 giveaway for 2 deserving moms, $5,000 each. And we're accepting entries for that at the website, the drshel.com.
Okay.
And I can't wait to give those away to some deserving moms.
And
So if you have a great mom, turn it in.
Turn her in. All right,
Yes.
drshel.com. Is that Shel with one L, right?
Shel is one L.
So
exactly.
SHEL.com for more details and other Great Day specials. After the break, our Medical Monday makeovers continue.